We are almost in 2026. Everything seems fine. AI is making life easier. But till this date, 66% of AI users are using AI blindly and literally making work mistakes. Now, I don't want you to end up like them. So in this video, I will show you a 5-step guide to use AI like a beast. Without wasting time, let's jump right into the video.
Step 1. Personalization.
As you can see, I created a new account and I am using the free version for this video. Let's go to personalization. We will slide down to the About You section. Of course, the name is optional. Then you will write down your profession. This will give ChatGPT an idea of your knowledge regarding certain topics, and it will explain terms in your language. Next, we will add a writing tone. I'm going to go with professional. Now we will tell it our AI knowledge level. I am just an intermediate user, so I will write that. Now we choose speed preference. I like fast and direct responses. Next, we will add a format. I like bullet points with brief. And then we will click Save. Remember, the more info it knows about you, the better it becomes at personal tasks.
Step 2. Custom instructions.
We will go to personalization again. Make sure to set base style to efficient. Now we will type in a custom prompt. This is basically a set of rules ChatGPT will always follow. We will tell it to recheck dynamic facts. Then we will tell it to show us the best options in first place. We want simple and concise responses, so we will type that in. We will command it to counter question for complex problems. You can add more rules here if you want. For me, this prompt works best. Now we will hit Save. If you know an effective rule, then comment down below.
Step 3. Assign roles.
For the third step, we will use projects. You can also do it on chats, but projects are more precise. Now, we will go to projects. Write down a project name. Make sure you select project only. Then click Create. Now we can see a new chat option. We will type in a role for it. But that only isn't enough. Let's type in some personality of the role. Make sure to ask for pros and cons. And most importantly, ask it to give you practical advices from experience. This will enhance the quality of answer massively.
Step 4. Context of the prompt.
Before writing a prompt, you should always give it some context. So we will type in what we are interested in. You can ask the AI itself on how it can help you. Also ask it what additional data should you provide for it to understand the topic better. This way you will get all the necessary details for writing the actual prompt. As you can see, it already gave us the things we need to provide in our actual prompt.
Step 5. Structured prompts.
For the final step, we will write an actual prompt. Before that, you need to understand a simple format. When writing a prompt, we will break it down to 3 parts: instruction, details, and rules. So with that in mind, let's start writing the prompt. First off, you will type in your current knowledge level of the topic. Then you will tell it what you want to know. Now in the next part, you will add details like if you want a small brief or big explanation. I also want the individual websites, so I will mention that. I only want free tools in this case. In the last part, you will add rules. For example, you can tell it to exclude the same type of results. You can also ask it to not give you common results. As you can see, it gave us a precise and structured result. It gave us small briefs and website links as prompted. It also gave us pros and cons with some practical advice. Keep in mind, unnecessary details actually make the result worse, so only add the necessary details. Now that you know all the basics, you can modify your prompts according to your preference. If you have made it this far into the video, then subscribe to get notified when I upload my dedicated advanced prompt writing video. Don't forget to check the description and pinned comment.